Do you remember the time when we were kids? Do you remember the time when you began to explore the world around you? When you were young, life was an adventure. Every day was full of new discoveries and possibilities and unlimited inspiration and motivation. Everything was an opportunity to play and to enjoy life. Everything was amazing. You were a hero fighting monsters, mastering the most difficult tasks and discovering the greatest rewards. You were a pirate captain seeking hidden treasures. You were an astronaut on the way to the moon. And life was supposed to be an everlasting adventure. But now that you are older, what happened to your dreams, your motivation, your vision? What happened to the adventures of life? Perhaps you were busy with other things. Play and game may have turned into work and struggle. You were told what you can do and what you can't do. Perhaps you got stuck in the routine of ordinary life, and slowly the motivational magic faded away. The inspirational joy of life was lost, and perhaps at some point you forgot all about the adventure, and you've experienced the dullness and sadness of life. You've suffered the pain of disappointment, the disillusionment of rejection, the frustration of restraint and delay, the sorrows of regret, the humiliation of failure. You bear the scars of life, but you carry on, nevertheless, because you are not a quitter, you are a survivor. Everything that you've experienced so far was a part of your journey. Everything in your life is a part of your own hero's journey. And there is a meaning in everything. And you can choose the meaning you will give the experiences in your life, because it is your life and only you can live it. And how are you living it? Where are you now in your life? At what stage of your own hero's journey are you really? Have you overcome the refusal? Have you found your aid and helpers? Have you faced your demons? Do you sometimes feel stuck in life? Did you lose your path? And if so, where did this happen? Even losing your path can be part of the journey. And now is the time to find it back. Now is the time to reclaim your purpose and motivation, your willpower and inspiration. Now is the time to create the life of your dreams. Now is the time to say, yes, I will. Now is the time to say, defy the odds. Now is the time to say, I am the master of my own life. You've gone through good and bad times. You've had your failures, but you've had your successes as well. You've had moments where the things you did just went well. Moments when you have given your personal best, when you have given all you had, and when you were in the zone, in your element, experiencing your personal excellence. Think of this time, and what was it like when you had all the resources you needed? The courage and motivation to do whatever was needed, the willpower and the stamina to succeed. Think of this time when everything you did worked out well. What does it feel like when you are right on track? What is it like to be a winner in life? What is it like to succeed despite the obstacles? There will be new challenges, because challenges are a part of life. And that means you must be ready. And the stronger you are, the bigger your challenges will be, because that is what it means to live the adventure of life. because everything else would be boring, and because you have inside of you what it takes to be a hero, and that means that you will carry on and grow, and you will succeed no matter how long it takes, and no matter what happens. You will not stop until you taste the joy of victory. You will succeed because you will go on until you succeed. And that is what it means to be a hero, to be a winner, to be really alive. Your future lies ahead of you, and every day is full of new opportunities and possibilities. Every day you can discover the beauty of life, and you can explore the joy of living. Life is amazing. Life is an adventure. Always set your goals high and make your visions great, because the limit of what you can do is the limit of your imagination. And that means there is no limit unless you set a limit for yourself. You never know what else is possible unless you have tried everything, and we have never tried everything. And every great thing that ever has been done in the world has once seemed impossible before it was done. Think about the life you want to live. Think about the things you want to experience. Think about the goals you want to achieve. And as you think about them, feel them and sense them. And as you do so, they already begin to become a reality inside of you. And the more you allow yourself to feel them and to taste the excitement and the motivation, the joy and the thrill of anticipation, the more they begin already to become an actuality through you and in your life. Live your life as an adventure. Turn your life into a true hero's journey. Learn to fully understand what it means to live your life as a hero's journey. Find inspiration and motivation in the powerful archetype of the hero's journey, and allow the hero's journey to become the credo of your life. Do not waste any day of your life. Live every day as if all depends on this day. Unleash your full potential. Always give your best. Always strive for excellence and experience the joy of being fully alive. And be an inspiration to others and share the vision. Start now.